Ravaioli company is born in 1975. It specialized in the manufacturing of wooden profile, and the core business is decking and cladding solution. It's very important to know that all manufacturing processing are made in Italy. I would like to suggest EasyClick system for three main points. First, it's easy to plan the installation. Second, it's fast to install on site. Third, it's very durable. The client will understand the advantage of the EasyClick only at the end of the project, because he will see a perfect, flat and stable deck. Every time that I am working on Ravaioli Decking, I don't think, I feel. Try to feel real decking with us.